Okay, this is a quick tutorial to teach you how to upload a lab report to Gradescope. What I'm going to do is when I log into Gradescope, I see all of my classes listed. I'm going to click on, in this case, I'll click on 2212 Lab. That's my template course. And I see the two assignments that I'm able to submit for right now. You see the due deadline, 5 days and 2 hours left, and no submission, indicating that I have not uploaded anything yet. I'm going to use experiment 7 for this example. I'm going to click on experiment 7. I'm going to click on submit PDF, and then I'm going to select my PDF file. My PDF file is located on the desktop. I'll go ahead and click on that and hit open, and then I hit open PDF. Okay, that gets everything set within Gradescope. It's processing my submission right now, so now we see all of the pages arranged on the screen here. And what I need to do now to complete the submission is to go through and tap on each of my question outline points here: student name, my ID, title and introduction, so on and so forth. I'm going to click on those individually and then indicate which page of my document they're located on. So I'll click on student name and then click on page 1, and you see P1 shows up underneath student name. Student My ID, that's also on page 1. Title and introduction, also on page 1. We've got a lot of things on page 1 with this example. Balanced equation, page 1. Reaction mechanism, we can also see, looking at this, that's also on page 1. Okay, so we see both on the left-hand side, we see all the indicators, P1, P1, and then on page 1 of our submission, we see all the questions that have been assigned to that page. Now that I'm at table of reagents, that's going to be on page 2. Safety information, page 2. Procedure, page 2. Data and observations, right? That's going to be on page 3. Results, page 3. Discussion and conclusions are going to be page 4. And then the last one that we have is our post-lab questions, and there they are on page 5. Once we've identified everything, and you want to make sure that you double check, you don't want to have this, you don't want to submit something that has not been tagged appropriately. That will make it very difficult to find the appropriate parts of your lab report. So please make sure that you do this neatly and completely, and then we hit submit. Once you've finished your submission, now it gives you this indication that everything has been submitted. It also tells you that you can resubmit any number of times until the due date, which is April 9th for this particular assignment. We hit close, and we're all set. And that's all there is to it. If you want to resubmit, of course, you see the button down in the bottom right-hand corner. If something didn't work out, you can click through on the right-hand side to make sure, right? So if I click on data and observations, it immediately takes me to the appropriate page, which is perfect. That means that we did exactly what we were supposed to with our upload, and we're all set and ready. Okay. You also have the option down here at the bottom to reselect pages, so you don't have to go through a full upload again or resubmission. You can go through and reselect if things didn't go perfectly the first time, and then you can click back to your menu. You can go back to your dashboard, and we make sure that our green submitted icon is visible. And that's all there is to it. Good luck with your submissions.